Hello everyone, and in this video I will give you a quick overview of what Pabbly email marketing is and what are the new features that we have recently launched. Pabbly email marketing is all-in-one tool that helps businesses to create, manage, track, send and automate email campaigns at one place, making customers communication more faster, efficient and smarter. Now Pabbly email marketing is not new. It already exists, but recently it has been updated with very powerful and strong features, which makes email marketing much more easier, smarter and more automated. So in this video, I'll walk through section by section explaining in short what are the new features of Pabbly email marketing. So even if you're a beginner, you are going to clearly understand what is Pabbly email marketing all about. In order to log into your Pabbly email marketing account, you have to sign in from the landing page of Pabbly email marketing. You will come to the All Pabbly Apps section. You will see the option Pabbly email marketing. Click on this Access Now button. As your first time logging in Pabbly email marketing, you will see two options in front of you. Either you can select the classic version that was before, or you can select the new beta method version with all the new features and improvements. So click on this Access Now button right here and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly email marketing. Now let's start with Pabbly email marketing's dashboard. This is a main overview screen of Pabbly email marketing, from where you can add your businesses. If you have an agency, you can add in multiple businesses and you can see all your business details below right over here. On this same screen, you can see the subscribers quota, the total quota that you have, the plan that you have, allotted subscribers, available subscribers and number of businesses that you have added. So if you're adding multiple businesses, you can add multiple folders inside Pabbly email marketing on the dashboard itself. Here you can create, manage and analyze all the different businesses on this single interface. Okay, now next we have that is email campaigns. Here you can create, send and schedule as well as manage and track the email campaigns that you have created. On the interface of email campaign, you can create the email campaign from here, count the total number of email campaigns that you have, send email campaigns, scheduled ones as well as the draft email campaigns on the same interface. You can create folders according to different email campaigns that you have created, and on the same interface you can see all the email campaigns, live email campaign, draft, scheduled, sending, sent, stopped and failed email campaigns right here. From here you can create new email campaigns, drip campaigns that you can send to all your subscribers, and you can manage as well as you can see the report of all your email campaigns over here directly. Now after completing the main section email campaigns, we have one very important section that is subscribers. Under the subscribers section, you will have multiple options. Subscriber list is first option. Now first is subscribers list, where all the email addresses of your subscribers and the details of your subscribers are stored. And manage subscriber list as well. You can create different lists inside subscribers list section. From this plus button, you can name the list and create the list right here directly. Okay, if you want, you can manually add in the subscribers from here, and if you scroll down, you will see all your subscribers details in the all subscribers section, and you can see all the lists that you have created right over here as well. Now after seeing the subscribers list, next is segments. Segment helps to group subscribers according to different conditions. Segment allows you to send targeted emails instead of sending the same email to each and every subscriber that you have. So if you have different segments inside your Pabbly email marketing account, you can send the emails to a single segment according to your requirement. Here it adds the condition. Okay, so now next we have is custom fields. Custom fields allows you to store extra information about your subscribers. There are 8 universal fields that we have already created inside our Pabbly email marketing account to store your subscribers details: first name, last name, email, number, lead score, date of birth, country and city. You cannot edit or delete these universal fields from here, but if you want, you can add in another fields right over here according to your requirement. Just imagine if you want a field of gender added right over here, and you can just save the field from here. So custom field allows you to save in extra information about your subscribers. Okay, next we have tags. Tags allows you to label subscribers based on their interest and behavior. For example, a customer is interested in any product, purchased the product before, attended a webinar before. So tag makes filtering and targeting subscribers very easy. Now next we have is lead score. From here you can automatically assign points to the subscribers, existing subscribers. Let's suppose if someone opens the email, they will get 5 points added in their lead score. If someone clicks the email, they will have 10 points points added in the lead score. So you can edit the points over here from the lead score section. Next, we have a suppression list. This section automatically tracks the unsubscribers, bounces, and spam complaints. Okay, so you will see all the details over here under this section. Okay, and last we have a subscriber activity, where you can see all the subscribers activity, how the email was sent, it's open. You will see each and every activity in the subscribers activity section. Okay, now next we are going to talk about analytics. So let's suppose you have forwarded the email campaign, and if you want a detailed report inside this analytics section, you will see all the activities: number of emails sent, failed, in queue, delivered, bounced, open, clicked, and unsubscribed. You will see the graph and you will see the detailed report of the campaign that you have forwarded towards your subscribers in the analytics section. Okay, now next we have is templates. In the templates section, we have provided to you ready to use templates, with the help of which you can create email campaigns, interested looking email campaigns for your business. Over here you can choose the templates according to the business categories that you have. You will see all the categories on this section right over here, and soon we are going to add all the templates inside our Pabbly email marketing account, and also you can create the template from here. Okay, now next we have workflows. This is one of the newest and the most exciting feature of Pabbly email marketing that we have introduced. Over here you can create exciting workflows. Let's take an example. There is a new subscriber added, and if you want to send an email to that subscriber, you can create a workflow inside Pabbly email marketing itself, and you can send the welcome emails to all your newly added subscribers. Not just this case, you can create multiple other automation workflows inside Pabbly email marketing from this create workflow section, and you can create interesting workflows inside Pabbly email marketing. Next we have settings, under which we have multiple options. First is business details. Over here you can see all the details of your business that you have added while adding the business right over here. The only thing that you cannot change is the website and the subscribers allotted from this section. Okay, next is delivery server. In this section you can add a delivery server. If you want, you can add the existing delivery server from here, or else we give you an option of adding the sender's email and creating your own delivery server from this section right here. Okay, next we have is API and webhook. This section allows you to integrate Pabbly email marketing with other tools as well, where you can find the API key, with the help of which you can create the connection, or else add the webhook inside Pabbly email marketing to create the connection with different other tools. Okay, next we have team members. So if you have an entire team to whom you want to assign your Pabbly email marketing account, you can add the team member from this section right over here directly, and your team members can also use this account over here. Okay, next is time zone. The time zone is your account's time zone, and according to the time zone that you have selected in this section, the entire account is going to run according to it. So this was the entire overview of Pabbly email marketing. So if you're looking for an all-in-one email marketing solution, Pabbly email marketing is worth trying. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.